Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'll be walking you through how to use vidIQ for keyword research. One of the things I actually want to show you in this particular video before I get started is the fact that I also use vidIQ to find this particular video I'm recording right now, which is how to use vidIQ for keyword research. And I'm gonna add in 2025 to it to make it more unique so that in case you impute in 2025 inside your search and you find this video, that means it actually work, right? So I found out different video when I input the search time on the vidIQ tool, and also I was able to find different type of keyword, and I do some research to figure out which keyword should I use in making this particular video. When I search on this right here, it shows that how to use vidIQ for YouTube, for your YouTube videos. So it doesn't really sound good to me, and at the same time the competition is on the medium. And also how to use vidIQ to grow your channel, so it is also 14,000 and it's on medium, so I don't want to target that, but instead I can see this one right here, which is how to use vidIQ for keyword research, and me adding in 2025 to it will also make it more relevant as a latest, because we are still in 2025, right? And you can see right here that it's very low because people are not really using this particular keyword, right? So, and you can see the total search volume on a monthly basis, which is 10,000. And I'm actually okay with that if at least I can actually get like 8,000 from this, or maybe 2% traffic that search for this keyword. Maybe my video might end up showing at the top right, maybe, just maybe. And this is another one, how to use vidIQ keyword research too, right? So this is 6,000. This is also cool as well, but then I think if I use this same keyword, I think I can still rank for this particular one right here. So this is how to go about it. And if you want to sign up on vidIQ, if you don't have account yet, you can use the link in the description to sign up on vidIQ platform. So all you just have to do after signing up and making your payment, because vidIQ is not actually free, because before you can actually have access to all these tools and features on this software. So on the left hand side right here, we have today we have optimize, generate, thumbnail, keyword. So all these one are different tool and different use, but then this is not exactly what I'm going to be walking you through, so I don't want to waste your time. So once you sign up on the platform, all you just have to do is just click on keywords, then it's going to take you straight down to this page right here to input your keyword. So your niche would definitely be different from mine, so you just have to know your top ranking keywords in your niche, or your top keywords in your niche. So that will definitely help you to know the kind of keyword to search for and how to do your keyword research. So I'm in a space whereby I made video review about AI tools, competitions, alternatives, and discount code and all that. So if you check some of my videos, you definitely see some videos like that. But then let's say I'm into like ChatGPT content creation stuff like that. So like this is an AI space. So maybe I just want to create a content or a video around ChatGPT, and I feel like, okay, what is actually new about ChatGPT, and what are the things that people might be literally searching for within the space. So once I know my main keyword in my niche, so I think it's gonna be much more easier for me to find what I'm actually looking for. And if you know the ChatGPT recent update is the ChatGPT image, like that. So what I'm gonna put in is the ChatGPT image. So I'm gonna use another use case as well, so it's not just ChatGPT like that. So once I input ChatGPT image, I'm gonna click on enter. Then it's gonna give me the average competition about this particular keyword right here. You can see the search volume is 141,000 currently, and if you look at the related keyword right, you can see ChatGPT picture, ChatGPT image editor, generate image with ChatGPT, and you can see all the search volume right here. ChatGPT image generation, generate image on ChatGPT, you can see all the search volume right here, and all this search volume and the keywords look somehow. You can see the overall, you can see the rating right there. So, but best tools or best features to use when you're trying to find a keyword is the matching terms. So all you just have to do is just click on matching terms on this option right here. It's gonna give you much more keywords that you can actually go for, right? And if you check my channel, I make a video about ChatGPT, and then I'm sure you'll definitely find the video if you check on the channel. So, right, like ChatGPT image, then it gave me some matching terms that like keyword that most relate to the keyword that I actually search for, right? So you can see how to create Ghibli image in ChatGPT. So ChatGPT occur image occur in the keyword, right? So this is another one, ChatGPT 4.0 or 4.0 image generator. You can see the search volume. You can see this one is at very high. You can see this one is medium. So that's why I choose to create a video around this particular one, because it's still medium and it have a lot of search. Right, so this is another one, which is ChatGPT image generator, right? So this one also have a medium, and you can see the search volume right here. So how to use ChatGPT image generator? This is 39,000, almost 40,000 search in within the month, and like the feature is actually new, and you can see the competition is very, very low. So if I jump on this and create a video around this, I guess that I will definitely rank faster than all that keywords that I'm trying to target. So, and you know that there is a lot of search inside this right here, and if you want to figure out or only very low or low competition keyword right here, so just click on this competition right here, then it's gonna change. Then you can see very high. I think this one are very low because they are not showing the competition rate. So you can see that this one ChatGPT for image generation. Some of them might not actually make sounds, but these are the things that people are searching for. Different people with different kind of search. So you can see ChatGPT cannot search image. ChatGPT Ghibli image great. Like there are a lot of people out there putting in different type of keyword just to make sure they find out what they are actually looking for, right? So you can see this another how to create prompt to create a homogeneous image of the characters from the story content created by ChatGPT. Like, are you kidding me? You can see this long tail keyword, and you can see the search. See the volume. If you create, well, I'm not really sure if the 100 character um on YouTube title will actually contain this, because this is very long title. If you want to put that, created by ChatGPT, so you can see this is very long. So I guess the people are actually putting this keyword on I guess maybe on Google like that. Maybe you can see another one, ChatGPT how to create a WordPress website clone. I guess maybe clone or copy gig image on Fiverr. I don't know. Like you can see different type of keywords right here. ChatGPT Generator Studio, Ghibli, right? So you can see all this kind of keyword. Ghibli image ChatGPT. People impute different search terms just to make sure they find what they are looking for, because they literally have no idea on what exactly it is. But once they find out what they're actually looking for, they'll definitely know that okay, this is exactly what I'm looking for. So all you just have to do is just create a content based on the keyword that people are searching for. Sometimes it might not make sense, but then it has meaning. You're gonna be the one to make it make sense, because you're gonna provide the result you believe that people are searching for. All these people that are searching for ChatGPT image generator studio Ghibli, I'm not sure if it actually contains studio, right? Because it's very simple. You just have to do just go to the ChatGPT and give it a prompt, upload your sample, and then boom, you get your result, right? So that is how it is done. So in my own understanding, right? And you can also see some other keywords, which of course you can actually target if you actually like that, right? So that is just for ChatGPT image, right? So let's try to look for another keyword, which of course is not related to ChatGPT or something like that. So I'm gonna think of a keyword of my edge, and then let's see what are the keywords and how to find a keyword that you can actually create content around. and trying to avoid competition, or maybe you creating the video and then at the end of the day the video is not actually showing in the search. So that is not going to make any sense, right? So what we're going to do right now is to put in another type of keyword based on the kind of content we're actually creating. So let's say I create content around Fiverr, for example, which is freelancing. So I'm gonna click on search for Fiverr. Sorry, Fiverr, right? So Fiverr is just a simple template platform. So I'm gonna click on search. Then we're gonna see the competition, right? You can see the search volume is over 400,000, right? And you can see the competition right here, which is 74 or almost 75 percent. So what I'm gonna do next is the searching time, matching times, and you can also see these are some other keywords, related keywords right here. So make money on Fiverr, best Fiverr gig for beginners, Fiverr tutorial for beginner sellers, make money on Fiverr, how to make money on Fiverr for beginners, right? So let's click on matching terms. Then let's see all the other keywords. You can see all the search volume, and you can see all the competition right here. So let's navigate to the lowest, or very low, something like that. So I'm just gonna scroll all the way down to the very low one, because all this one doesn't even have anything. So right, we have Fiverr promo code, Fiverr Outsourcing Institute, how to delete Fiverr account. You can see the search volume for this one, and this is very low. How to set auto reply on Fiverr, right? How to finish completion rate on Fiverr. You can see the search volume on this, and this is very low as well. Fiverr success score, low competition gig on Fiverr. Fiverr verify your identity, how to deliver order on Fiverr. So those are the things that people are actually searching for around Fiverr. And if you have any experience about any of this, all you just have to do is just create content around it, and then boom, your video will rank and people will be able to find your link. These are how to promote Fiverr affiliate link, right? So this make a lot of sense. So there are a lot of keywords you can actually impute in this search right here that will help you in finding different type of keyword that you can create content on. Even though if the search volume on a monthly basis is around 1,000, just have it in mind that your video will be ranking, because that's a less competition and there is a high chance you ranking your video at the top, right, compared to you searching targeting the high search volume, and other big creators or big channels are also targeting the same keyword, which will make it more very hard for your video to rank, right? So that is how you can actually do keyword research on vidIQ in 2025 and without any issue. So I'm running a 30 days vidIQ account, and that is what more reason why I have access to all this. If you are using a free one, you might not be able to access or have access to all these features right here. So, and if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'm very much happy to help you out. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.